Welcome, welcome! For the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I don't really know what installment of Cocktails with a Cool Kid that we're on, but we're making cocktails with a cool kid. Today, Luca Brazzi, Luca Patrick, Luca Jordan, call him what you want, but he's wearing a banana suit like his daddy, is here to join us, as well as my non-themed brother, Seth.
Hello.
And do you have a bartender name?
Seth.
Seth. Carry the TH. Seth. Now today we are making a dirty banana. That didn't really get the allure I wanted there. Okay, so we got a couple ingredients that you may have never heard of before, but one that's very near and dear to me, and that is the heart of the cocktail, the 99 bananas. Now, young Seth, come into the screen.
Yes, chef.
Jesus.
You
Do you have any experience with 99 bananas or 99, the brand?
Yes, I do.
Tell us in 30 words or less your experience.
Drink water, eat food, and you'll be good. You'll be fine.
Okay, we were looking for an experience, not advice. Goodbye.
99 is...
So let me tell you my... No, you're done. Let me tell you my experience with 99, okay? So when I was a young buck learning how to drink, I had 99 apples. I was a bit older than Luca when I started drinking. And 99 apples was one of those liqueurs that we drank because it got us drunk.
Definitely not a liqueur.
Fast. It is a liqueur, actually, Seth. Are you going to enhance the presentation or inhibit?
50%
Thank
liqueur.
you. So, this is a liqueur, but it is strong. Don't let the taste deceive you, because after a couple of these, you'll be gone. Okay. So, that's our first ingredient. We also have the Malibu. Can I get a boo? Can I get a boo? Okay, nothing from you. That will be the second ingredient in the cocktail. Kahlua. We went fancy. We didn't actually go that fancy. This was left over from my birthday, which was months ago. We just don't drink a lot of Kahlua in the house. So we could go with just a regular coffee liqueur, but we went fancy with the Kahlua. We have cream. Where's the cream? Cream. Get the cream and milk. 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 And of course, we have our lovely bartender set to make the freshest cocktails. And for a guest appearance, we have, thank you, Luca, the blender to mix, because we are putting a full banana in this. We will be using the blender, not just the shaker that you guys all know and love. Let's get started. Any questions? No. Okay, great. So, first we're going to start with our 1 ounce. 99. Here we go. 1 ounce. Our trusty little jigger thing. Jigga, 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 jigga. 1 ounce is... Hold that. You're my assistant. You've been downgraded.
Is the other side not 1 ounce?
And it's close enough. We don't care. Okay, 1 ounce of banana liqueur. Great. Next, 2 ounces of rum. We went with a Malibu. You can go with a white rum, a dark rum. Pick your favorite rum. This was a little coconut flavored, so we're looking for something fancy. No, just kidding. Not for you, boy. Stick with your baby food. 2 ounces of rum.
Milk.
We have 1 ounce of Kahlua. Seth, make yourself useful. Pour an ounce of Kahlua.
Okay.
No, we're not counting. For the people that don't count, Seth is a bartender. He thinks he's fancy. Just count. Luca, you got a shout out. I didn't even get a shout out. I'm wearing a damn banana costume. I didn't even get a shout out with the F. Okay, 1 ounce Kahlua, Seth.
Yes,
1 ounce of cream, please. 1 ounce of cream. Now, we have heavy whipping cream. You can go half and half. You can go more milk if you want. Luca loves milk. Luca, do you love milk? Let's see if the boy likes milk. Luca, do you like half and half? Little milk, little milk? Son, we're not blending yet. Oh, see? He tried to drink it. He likes the milk. You can tell. But don't offer him someone else's breast because he knows his mother's. And that's what he wants. Babies don't go for other ones. Okay, next ingredient is 1 ounce of milk. Now, this is whole milk. Here's the nutrition facts if you care. Now, we drink whole milk here because we're trying to gain weight. Right, son? Yeah, see? Son likes his extra creamy. A lot of fat unpasteurized, and that's how he grows to be such a fat boy.
Fat boy.
Fat boy. We need 1 ounce of milk. And no, oh, good enough. Okay. 1 ounce of milk. And the final ingredient is the dirty banana. Now, if you have a baby available, the babies love the bananas. Watch this. Son. Look at that. Oh, you like
Melted.
that. Look at that.
Oh,
He looks so happy. He's not happy. Wow, he loves the banana. So we're just going to toss that in there as well. Thank you, son, for trying it out. It's not rotten, is it? Great. Now, the lid. Great. And we're going to blend this thinger. And we have a comment that says, I think the banana suit has gone to your head. Yes, it's gone to my head and the rest of my body. All right. And some ice. Now, if you've never used a blender before, one thing I've learned is hold your hand on the top.
The top is wrong.
The lid doesn't actually, this is the wrong top
No.
for the blender?
Sorry, yeah, right there.
Wow, okay. Apparently we have a blender that the top does not spin around for effect. You actually need to do that and line it up. Here we go. Okay. So, the milkshake setting, not good. Ah, yeah. Oh, no, I'm sorry. So it's okay, baby boy. Now, if you have a baby, maybe put the headphones on him. Where's our headphones? We don't have the headphones? Get the headphones. Okay, so while we're getting the prop for the baby, you want to use the puree setting. You want to have a Seth available to keep your kid happy. And here we go, here we go. And now we can puree. Hey, look at that! And look how happy the baby is! Get a pair of baby headphones. They're almost free, but not at Amazon or whatever store you want to support. Okay. Now, we're okay. Fancy! We're going to pour the cocktail. Here we go. Oh, we have some sort of.
Where do you want to go? I know you want to go somewhere else.
Okay. And the cocktail and the happy baby. And don't forget the garnish. And this has been Cocktails with a Cool Kid, a Crying Kid, and the Seth. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your dirty banana. Until next time, stay fresh, happy, and goodbye.